Hello there everyone. As you can see, I'm getting started on splitting this thing. Already got it started. As you can see, it's starting to pull away. So, I'm just going to film the rest of this. See how it goes. I think it'll be okay, but I really didn't want to do it this way. I wanted to block the front up and leave it and roll the back away. But this is just how it's going to have to be, I guess. I'm just going to have to roll the front out. But anyways, I'm going to set you guys up here. There we go. So it just started coming apart. It ought to be apart here. Pull it down a little. You don't want this thing tilting up too much, but certainly isn't the most fun thing I've ever done. Okay, I'm going to pick it up a little bit. I think it just got free. This piece of junk would cooperate. I'm just going to try and keep scooting it because this jack really doesn't want to cooperate with me. All that I'm doing with this jack is I'm trying to use it as a support so there's an extra set of wheels underneath this thing, so to try and keep it as stable as possible. I don't need this thing tipping over. You guys might go with that, but I know I wouldn't. Down. I'm going to get on the other side just so this thing stays even. This damn jack. Getting there. Certainly getting there. Make sure you guys still have a good view of this. There we go. 1 inch at a time, we'll get it. I'm debating whether or not to. There we go. Now we don't have to worry about that. That was the tachometer cable. Yeah, I'm going to keep moving it forward a little bit more, and then I'll give you guys a shot on what it looks like in here, why exactly I'm doing this in the first place. I'll give you a little peek at it. Sure, I need to position this jack. Maybe. Yeah, this would be easier if I had a jack that was cooperating. This thing just wants to slide around everywhere. Alrighty, I think that's far enough for what I have to do to this thing. Man, I'm sweating. Okay. So there we have it. There's the front half of the tractor, and there's the back half of the tractor. The throwout bearing doesn't seem too bad. Got some slop in it. Not terrible. Input shaft ain't too bad. These splines definitely need some grease on them. They got rust. But this is the whole reason I tore this thing apart. You see how bad those teeth were on that ring gear? Try and get you guys another look at on the other side, but those teeth are pretty much just completely mushroomed over on the ends. If it'll zoom in or what, but yeah, see how those teeth are all just, they're pretty nasty. And that's why it ground real bad in the video I was showing you guys whenever I first started it. But yeah, it needs a new ring gear, and looks like the rear main seal back here is leaking too, so I'm gonna replace that while I'm in there. But anyways, just wanted to film this tractor getting split, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.